Call to action, also known as CTA, is what marketers use to get a user to take action on a website or advertisement. This strategy is usually a headline with a link, which can be used to get more sales, email subscribers, and registrations. Oftentimes, a user will enter a website and will hopefully receive some value and information about a business or service. Aside from content throughout the web page, there will be buttons such as a buy now or sign up today, which are examples of effective CTAs. CTAs can be pop-ups, banners, links, and buttons. Depending on your website, it should be easy to add call to actions. If your website has a visual web builder, you can simply add buttons and banners with catchy headlines. There are many ways to make effective call to actions without looking spammy or untrustworthy. In this video, we'll show you different ways you can use a CTA, how to create effective CTAs, where to include your CTA, and how Moment, our free CRM, can help you optimize your CTA and website as a whole. Different ways to use a CTA. There are many ways to use a CTA, but firstly, what does a CTA look like? Here's an example of our CTA on the Moment website. This CTA is in the footer, and there's another one in the header. It is a very simple and effective CTA, to the point, without any risks of continuing through. So what are some ways call to actions can be used? Number 1, generating sales. It's no surprise that CTAs are a great way to increase sales. It's an essential part of any website or sales funnel, as it serves as a bridge between content and the actual checkout process. Without a buy now or sign up button, how else would a website visitor make a purchase? The key is to make your CTAs persuasive and effective so you can convert more website visitors into customers, which we will discuss shortly. Number 2, building an email list. Sometimes businesses will decide to slowly ease a website visitor into their sales funnel. Building your email list or CRM is a great way to provide value before pitching the sale. Using Moment, you can grow your email list for free and send out scheduled email campaigns. One great method of growing your email list is to add a newsletter sign-up CTA at the end of your blog post, or as seen on many e-commerce websites, you can offer a discount to those who sign up for your email list. Number 3, scheduling meetings. Another way a CTA could be used is to schedule a call with your sales or support agents. This is a great way to build rapport and create meaningful customer relationships to close the sale. By talking to the leads directly, you can win your customers' trust and even upsell your services. Number 4, feedback and surveys. CTAs could be used to get valuable customer feedback or to promote surveys. These two methods are great for market research, improving customer satisfaction, and finding pain points within your website. Moment comes with a free live chat widget that can also help you provide prompt customer service to website visitors to ensure a positive customer experience. How to create effective CTAs. Creating an effective CTA is super easy, but very important. As with any sort of sales, psychology is everything. Here are ways to make your CTAs more effective. Number 1, use strong persuasive words. To get your website visitors to take action, you need to use persuasive language and verbs such as buy now, shop, learn more, and call now. Many of these phrases are given by advertising platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Google because they're effective and to the point. Number 2, create urgency. When there's a limited time to take advantage of an offer, leads are more likely to take action and become a customer. Using a countdown offer is a great way to create a sense of urgency. However, try to keep this offer subtle and not gimmicky. Number 3, provide value. Make sure whatever your CTA links to is providing the website visitor with value. A high quality product is an example of good value, but so is a high quality newsletter that will give frequent tips and blog posts to the subscriber. By providing good value, you will create a low risk environment which will increase your CTA's conversion rate. Where to include CTAs. Call to actions are an extremely important part of your landing page, but should also be used in different parts of your website as well. Adding a CTA to your blog is important, especially when building your email marketing list and CRM leads. Moment is a free CRM which is great for nurturing your website visitors and email subscribers. You can also add CTAs to your social media in the form of captions, but also in your profile's biography. Another place to include your CTA is in your marketing campaigns, or else you'll be simply paying for ads without a reason for conversion. Finally, in your email marketing campaigns, you should end each email off with a call to action to increase sales or to further allow reading for the subscriber. Moment CRM and call to actions. We spoke about Moment a few times in this video, and there's a reason for that. Moment is a great addition to any online business, and it's absolutely free. Moment comes with free live chat, session recording, email marketing, unified inboxes, and much more. By using Moment session recording, you can A/B test different CTAs to see which convert more website visitors to customers. Session recording allows you to directly see your website visitors' actions on your website, which can be useful for tracking effective or underperforming CTAs. If you notice numerous users skipping over a CTA, it might be time to can make it more attention grabbing. Finally, using Moments Free Live Chat, you can directly speak to website visitors and get them to take action on your website. It's important you have effective and easy to find CTAs set up on your website so leads can easily register for an account or make a purchase. Concluding thoughts: creating a CTA does not need to be complicated. It's important to keep it simple and to the point. CTAs are an important part of any business, landing page, and marketing campaign. You can use call to action banners and buttons to generate sales, leads, and your email list. By using Moments Free Live Chat and session recording, you can quickly respond and direct website visitors to take action, and also see the journey your leads make through your website. Going through session recordings, you can see which CTAs are performing well and which ones need improvement or adjusting. We hope you enjoyed this video on creating effective call to actions. Without any hesitation, here's our CTA for you. Sign up to Moment for free today and enjoy a full-featured CRM without a credit card. The link to sign up is in the description below. Happy chatting!